Guess what? Mr. Rich here with some auto tips. Okay, what I have here today, 2020 Nissan Rogue. Customer state when you apply the brakes, has a clunking noise, a clicking, clunking noise going forward and reverse at slow speed. Okay, when you're going from park to reverse, that's what happened. Alright, so come on, let me show you a little fix to do that, to fix that problem. Alright, and here's my buddy over there, Dave. Alright, come on, you ready? Let's go. Alright, right here, the brake pad is moving when you apply the brakes. It's slow, like when you stop and go parking. That's when the pad shift back and forth. So what I did on this side already, and the other side, this side really I fixed already. Go back together. All right. So let me show you the shim I did on this side. I put a shim on it. Right here is a little shim I made. See this? Like that. I take it and I right in here. I lift this one up and I pop it right in here. I put an angle in it this way you can, and I cut it enough to just fit in here. So it goes in here like that. Slide it in. Oh, sorry. Slide it here like that. Then you push this down. Now you can put the brake pad on here now, like that. I know, like a handle it to put this in. Alright, so it goes like that. Let me see if I can get it in. Get it in one hand. Alright. So that's that there. Let's see. I need to top it. Okay, I guess I got it in there now. Let me see. I top it with the hammer. Hang on. Again. There you go. So that's gonna stop the pads from shifting, right? So enough there. Straighten up the pad here. Alright, so no more play with that. Now I can put the caliper on. Oop, broke my leg. Alright, so put the bolts on here. And that's it. And that's the little clicking noise, shifting pads back and forth. Alright, so that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next one.